Hello, Warrior Nation, and a special that goes out to all my primary students and families. It's your building principal, DJ, and number one weatherman, Mr. Pacchioni here. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial of the Chromebooks and Google Classroom. So when you have your Chromebook, all you have to do is open it up, and it should power up by itself. If it doesn't, there's a little power button to the right-hand side. And when it powers up, it should bring you to your login screen, and then it's going to ask you for your username. If it doesn't ask you for that, in the left-hand corner, the bottom of it, there should be an add person. So if someone else's login information is already here, down the bottom, there should be an add person section that you can click on add person, and this screen will pop up. So at this point, you're going to type in your child's username. That should be first initial, last name, period, with the graduation year. For specifically my building, third grade is 2030, second grade is 2031, and first grade is 2032. So at this time, I'm going to type in a ghost email address in order to show you some more things. And once you're done typing in the username, all you have to do is click the next button at the bottom there, and then type in the password. If you don't have a password or you forgot your password, please contact the primary center at 570-693-1914 and ask for the secretary to tell me to reset it. So now just click the bottom next and saying get started, and we'll hit continue. And it should automatically bring up the Wyoming Area School District website. So from here, I'm going to take over the screen real quick to kind of show you how to navigate through our school district website to get to Google Classroom. So here we are at the Wyoming Area School District website, and all you have to do is a few clicks. You click on Students, you scroll down, and all you're going to do is click on Google Account Classroom Login icon. When you do this, it should automatically come up to your Google Classroom page. And you can see here's my Google Classroom page with all the teachers. I did make up a few classrooms for this demonstration. So if it doesn't come up automatically, in the upper right, there's a little circle here with an icon, and I'm going to click on it because I'm going to add the ghost account that I have to use to show the demonstration. Now we're pretending this is an elementary classroom. So here it is. I have two classes, the principal corner, which I will be utilizing for our morning announcements, and just a generic Mr. Pacchioni's math classroom. And you can see there's two buttons, decline or join. I'm going to join both of them. So here's Mr. Pacchioni's principal's corner. There's a stream with some announcements that he can make. And a classwork if he assigns anything for classwork, or the people like the teacher who has joined or has been excited, and the classmates that are in this classroom. And if I wanted to get back to my original Google Classroom where all my classes are, there's two things you can do. One, you can hit the back button, which will bring you back to the next page that you have. And you keep on clicking back. Or you can go to what I call the hamburger with the 3 horizontal lines. And you can see that right now I only have one classroom because I joined it. But if I join Mr. Pacchioni's math classroom, which I'm going to do right now, and it will take me into that classroom, then if I go back to the hamburger, it's going to show all my classrooms that are listed. So that's an easy way to navigate through your child's classroom, is by clicking on, when I get out of it, right here, the hamburger, and that will bring up every single classroom that my child had, whether it's the homeroom teacher, the art teacher, or any related art teacher class that's here will be there. So I'm going to go back now, and so I can show you when you're going into a classroom and you are going to go in a live stream lesson, there's going to be a Google Meet link here. That currently it's not here, but if I show you what it's going to look like in my Google Doc here, this is what it's going to look like. The Meet link will be right at the bottom of the screen. So right where underneath my name right here, every teacher will have a Google Meet link. Sometimes it's going to be turned on, sometimes it'll turn off, depending on the time of day that your teacher or we are doing classes. So that's where it'll be. All your child will have to do is click on that, and it will bring her right to the Google Meet link where the live lessons will be. The last thing that I want to show your in this demonstration is how to get to your Gmail. So if I'm back in the child, and I know this is the elementary student, my ghost account is that if I wanted to check out anything else besides Google Classroom, I wanted to get to my Gmail account, we call this the waffle over here. It has all the Google apps. So if you click on this, you can go directly to Gmail. And some of the things that are going to be in here are all of the invitations that were sent, all the assignments that were due. So not only will you get alerts through Google Classroom, but also through your Gmail so that your child or you will have access to that as well. So again, I just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to log on to the Google Chromebooks and how to access Google Classroom through your username and password. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact me at the Primary Center at 570-693-1914 or my email address, dpacchione@Wyoming.org. Hope you have a great night, and I'm looking forward to an exciting school year. Thank you very much.